like, love her like. Oh, yes, I love her like, love her like. Oh, yes, I love her like, love her like.
Oh yes, I love her like Egyptian. Want a description? Her body's sickening. I can be her prescription. I can be her physician. Sexual healing. I can be her religion. And now she's kneeling, praying to the ceiling. I bless her as if she sneezed. Must be the weather. I dress her. I am her sleeves. I am her feathers. She's fly, flyer than you, flyer than me. I love her. She loves me too. I love her 3 times more than her mom. Time will tell that I'm the nigga that she should. We should be wherever she wanna be on a late night, midday, AM. Just say when. And I know I be with cavemen, but never mind them. She's poison and I am Michael Bivins. See, I know that y'all don't hear me, but she does. We does what grown folk do when they had too much to drink. And I think when they had too much to drink. And
oh yes, I love her like
pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Oh yes, I love her like I altar. I see you at the altar, Mrs. Carter. I see you with my daughter or son, more than one, maybe 5, like the Jacksons or John Paxson. Just don't let him fuck up the mansion, and daddy will be home later on. Smelling like the cologne that I put on this morning. And I hope that you smell like woman soap and shampoo and lotion and perfume and candles. And I'ma run through that pussy like a vandal. Yes, I'm nasty as a Scorpio, but I'm a lucky Libra. Got her wet like she's sweating out a fever. Wow, leave her to me and she'll be smiling every single time you see her, from ear to ear. I wanna be beside her when she sleep as she lay, or we can stay awake and watch the next day. Clothes are overrated, panties are debated. Einstein, her head is the greatest.
oh yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Oh yes, I love her like her dad told her, no man will ever love her. Oh, and I better be the only man sticking it, licking it like an envelope, mailing it, sealing it. Read it, I have written down Victoria's Secret. Don't tell nobody, don't share your body with nobody, not even a finger. I will cut it off and let him keep it. That ass for Weezy, baby. And at my station we have sex orientation. When I hit it, she squint like them Orient Asians. I do me, I say, hey Miss Chung-Lee, I like to see your booty roll like sushi. I'm tryna dip my celery up in her blue cheese. Eyes, ooh-wees, wallahs, taras, mm-hms, uh-huhs, oh yes, never oh no's until I have to go, and then it's never oh no. I tell her don't cry, I be back like the electric bill, and when she butt naked she dressed to kill.
oh yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like
Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed. Pussy, money, weed.
yes, I love her like